Hello mga momshi. Turn over ko kayo ha. Kasi, ito, where are here? Mga momshi. Hello. Good afternoon. We're here at my home. Sweet home. Welcome to our channel. Please stay tuned in for more. And I'll show you what we have. Ito po, ang little one. Nagkakala. You see? That's our little play area. Oh, ayan. Naglalaro siya, oh. Show your toys daw. Show your toys. What are you doing? Can you tell everyone? What are you doing? What are you doing, Baba? Can you tell everyone, please? You see? He said he's making a mess. He's making a mess daw po with his toys. Yan ang toy box niya for now kasi he likes to make a mess. Could you please? You gotta clean this up later, okay? When you're done making a mess. What are you making a mess now? Cooking toys. Yan po ang mess. Yan ang mga toy box niya, box. Yan ang kanyang mga toy chest box. Oh, he said he's gonna cook. What are you gonna cook for them? For us? Huh? You broke it? What are you planning to cook? What are you planning to make? Go ahead, you're cooking. Where are you going? Come here. Come over here, Baba. What are you doing? Come here, you go cook. Come on. You go cook with your toys. Come on, come on, come on. Ayan po siya. Medyo nagtatampo kasi nagano siya dahil... Yes, can you make me ice cream? For mommy? Can you make ice cream for me? That's not making ice cream. What are you doing? Can you tell me what you're doing, Bob? Well, anyways, he's nagtatampo na po. Medyo wala na sa mood because nahiya siya sa eldest brother niya dito. So, yan, ito ko kayo. Mga momshi. Isang anak ko, nahiya si Kalang. Nahiya my little one to cook kasi nandun yung isang kapatid niya.